Welcome to our tutorial on how to unfollow an account on Gmail using your PC. If you receive emails from a sender that you wish to unsubscribe from, we'll guide you through the steps to easily stop receiving their emails. Let's get started. First, on your computer, navigate to Gmail by opening your web browser and accessing your email account. Open an email from the sender you want to unsubscribe from. This could be any email you have received from that particular sender. Next to the sender's name in the email, you will see an option that says Unsubscribe. Click on this option to initiate the unsubscribe process. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm unsubscribing from the sender. Click on Unsubscribe in the pop-up to confirm your decision. In some cases, certain senders may require you to click on Go to Website to complete the unsubscribe process from their emails. Follow the instructions provided if this additional step is required. By following these steps, you can easily unsubscribe from unwanted emails and stop receiving messages from specific senders in your Gmail account. Thank you for watching our tutorial. We hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to unfollow an account on Gmail on your PC. Stay tuned for more email management tips and tricks.